Hey everyone, this is Mistie at Nerd News Social, and today I got to check out CES Unveiled, and the one item that I really sparked in there was the Bob dishwasher. It is for your countertop, perfect for a family of 2 or 3. Does a few plates and all your utensils and cups for the day. It has a UV light in there to disinfect. It's really amazing. Really great way to save water by using 1 gallon through the machine instead of 5 gallons with a typical hand washing. Comes in a lot of colors. I'm excited to see it come out and hit the market. And we'll see you in our next videos as we progress through the CES week. Thanks again. Bye.